Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a PDF document with a digital signature certificate. A DSC is a secure electronic signature that verifies the signer's identity and ensures the document has not been tampered with after signing. It's like a digital fingerprint, offering legal validity and peace of mind for your important electronic documents. This process helps maintain the integrity and authenticity of your files, making them trustworthy and legally binding. Before you begin the signing process, it's crucial to prepare your PDF document. First, make sure the document is complete and requires no further edits. Next, install any required driver software for your digital signature certificate token or smart card. This software allows your computer to communicate with the DSC device. Finally, ensure your physical DSC token is connected to your computer, typically via a USB port, and ready for use. Now, let's walk through the actual signing process. Open your PDF document using a compatible PDF reader like Adobe Acrobat Reader. Navigate to the Fill and Sign or Certificates section, usually found in the Tools menu. You can then select an existing signature field or draw a new one where you want your signature to appear. Choose your digital signature certificate from the list, enter your secure PIN, and confirm the signing action. Once your PDF is signed, it's important to verify the signature's authenticity. Most PDF readers will display a notification or a green checkmark indicating a valid digital signature. This confirms the document's integrity and the signer's identity. Finally, save the digitally signed PDF as a new file. This practice ensures you retain the original unsigned document while having a secure, legally binding version for your records or submission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.